Rinpoche. I read from the initial chapter of this book. I understand that Rinpoche had many sex with a lot of women.
Here we go again.
How could it be? Because
You know, our questions reflect our attachment. I love it. It really does.
yeah.
Our questions reflect our attachment. Yes. What's your question?
My question: how could it be?
How could it be what?
I mean,
He was a man, he had a boogly, and that's it. What's your question? Be clear.
Isn't there a monk holding?
He's not a monk.
He's not a monk.
Where are you? He has a wife, he has 4 kids. He's not a monk.
He's a Rinpoche.
So? A monk and a Rinpoche is different. A monk and a Rinpoche is different. A Rinpoche is a person. I mean, there are different levels of Rinpoches. A Rinpoche is a very attained person who takes rebirth again and again. Some life he comes back as a monk. Some life he comes back as a layperson. Sometimes he comes back as a monk, as a layperson. If he's a Rinpoche, he's not necessarily a monk. And when you go to him for teachings, you're not going to teachings with him because he's a monk. You're going to teachings with him because he's knowledgeable. When a Rinpoche disrobes, he disrobes his monk vows, not his Rinpoche attainments. So when he's born, he's a Rinpoche. He's not a monk. You understand? Do you know what a Rinpoche is?
The precious one.
No, don't give me names. Do you know what a Rinpoche is? So that means this person takes rebirth again and again and again to teach Dharma. Correct? So when he takes rebirth many, many lifetimes to teach, he's teaching from his accomplishments. The fact that he's able to take life again and again shows you he has some kind of accomplishments. Okay? So when he teaches you, he's teaching you from his accomplishments. So in his life, whether he chooses to be a monk or he doesn't choose to be a monk, it has nothing to do with whether he's a Rinpoche or not. A Rinpoche and a monk is completely separate. Do you know Guru Rinpoche? Does he have a wife?
Yes.
He has 2. What happened? Why? Is he a monk? Is Guru Rinpoche a monk?
No idea.
You think about it. Don't just go, think.
He's not a monk.
Correct? But he's a Rinpoche?
Yeah, he is.
But he's a monk?
No, he's not.
Okay, so he's not a monk, but he's a Rinpoche. Does he have wives?
Yeah.
Okay, but is he a monk?
No.
But is he a Rinpoche?
Yes, he is.
Okay, he's a Rinpoche who's not a monk who has wives. How can that be? So is he teaching people because he's a Rinpoche, or is he teaching people because he's a monk?
Because he's a Rinpoche.
Correct. So if he's a monk or not, does it make a difference for him to teach? Very good. Why? He's very accomplished. So he's teaching from what? His monkhood or accomplishment?
Accomplishment.
So does he need to be a monk to teach?
No.
If he's not a monk, can he have wives?
Yes, he can.
Okay. So Chugye Trungpa was not a monk. No. He is a layperson. He has children? How many?
3.
That's right. 3 is his, 1 is not. 4. Can a monk have children?
Yes. Oh no, sorry.
A monk can have children. You contradict yourself. Can a monk have children?
No.
Right. So if he has 4 kids, is he a monk?
No.
Then why do you say he's a monk? Very simple. Very simple, this one. We're going to have to go a little higher. Next level. About 5 levels. Okay. When you're a Rinpoche of that level, not some crappy little level, it's that level. Whether you have a wife or no wife, or dream or no dream, it doesn't affect your attainments anymore.